it's been a while since I uploaded a makeup tutorial, but today we're learning how to make this blue eyeshadow Eleganza Extravaganza. So, if you want to learn how to create this look, keep watching. Okay friends, so I've already done this side and my whole face. So we're gonna start with this side now. First off, I'm gonna show you which palettes I will be using. So I am gonna be using this one from MAC, this pink only, and this one from Ace Beauty or Ace Beauty. I don't know how you pronounce it. Can you see? We're gonna be using the blue, okay? So first things first, I'm gonna take my peach color and use this brush, which is like a blending brush, and I'm gonna apply right here. It's like a transition color, kinda. I know this look seems complex, and I am telling you, it's very easy. Not really, it's easy, so chill. Now, I'm gonna take this brush, which is a flat, tiny brush. Why? Because I wanna have full control on how the blue color is going on my eyelid, okay? If I have a fluffy brush, it's gonna go everywhere and we don't want that. So, I'm gonna take my blue. It's more like a cyan. Look at me. Hi, Mom. And I'm just gonna pack it on one side, okay? And then I'm gonna do this. So the excess goes off the brush and we don't have the excess all over our faces because we already have our foundation done, right? So now what I'm gonna do, it's gonna do like, just follow the line of my eyelid and go downwards. I don't want it like upwards or outwards. I want it down, just like a semicircle, okay? So there you go, and if you happen to have any fallout, just take a fluffy brush and do this, okay? So it goes away. What's next? So now you see this under eye shadowing kinda. We're gonna take a pencil brush. This is a pencil brush, and we're gonna do the lower liner with this. Same thing. So there you go. Here comes the fun part, the shimmer, glitter, stars, everything. Okay, so I left all my freaking stuff in Toronto when I came to Mexico. I just took like my dog and underwear. So I went here to Walmart and got this, which are like the nail art. It was very cheap, I swear. So we're good, and this is what I did it with. So I got it at Walmart. Walmart saving lives since yesterday. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have my palette and drop some glue, and I'm gonna drop some figures, some like this thing on the palette, and I'm gonna take, I also got this at freaking Walmart. It's like, this is meant to be for nail art, but I'm using it to pick up the stars because it's very complex with a tweezer. It takes longer. So I'm gonna start by taking one figure, there you go, and put it here. Yay! So obviously the glue is gonna dry completely clear. So we're gonna be able to see everything. Oh my God. And now we're gonna create this V shape with our sequins, or I don't know how to call it, like confetti or just the stars. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm gonna take my glitter eyeshadow. I have this from MAC. It's called Just Chilling, and it's like a silver shimmery eyeshadow. It's everything, I swear. I'm gonna take my other pencil brush, the one that's clean, this one, and I'm gonna take a little bit of shadow and apply here. Oh yeah. Okay, yes, what do you think? And I'm gonna fill it with more stars. Okay, I'll be right back. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes. Okay, so now that I curled my lashes, I will pop on some false lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so now they are on. So now let's put on some mascara to merge them with my natural lashes. So cool. And now to set it up, we're gonna apply the Fix Plus all over our faces. Yeah. So, I hope you love this look. Honestly, it's way easier than it looks, and now you know it. And thank you so much for watching my videos and for supporting my art. I really do appreciate it, and I want to let you know that right now I'm taking requests. So if there's any look that you want to specifically know how to do, please slide it into my DMs. I'm gonna leave you my social media right here. Follow me, y'all. I love y'all. Happy Pride Month. And see you next time. I love y'all.